Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel channels subscriptions on Amazon Prime. Let's begin. First, go to the official website, amazon.com. Make sure you are logged in into the correct account. And over here on the top right menu, hover into your profile icon or settings and click on memberships and subscriptions. Currently, I don't have any subscriptions any longer, but if you do have, it will be showed in here Prime Video, like for example this, Kindle, and various other subscriptions. Click on Amazon Prime. Then over here, there's going to be an option to easily cancel your subscription. It will just ask you to verify and confirm the cancellation. Click confirm, and once that's done, your Prime Video has now been cancelled. So it's that easy. I hope you found this video very helpful.